Good evening to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinanceinc.com. So this is our website smartfinanceinc.com. So once you visit our website, you will come to know about our products and services. So we innovate many new concept of trading. So in this regard, our presence is from the past 15 years, and we have innovated many unique concept of trading. So in this regard, I am just releasing a series of videos on Gann studies. So in this series, today is the sixth part of the video I am going to release on Gann studies. So the detailed Gann course is a 40 hours course. You can get it from our website, and it has 34 intraday trading methods, mathematical methods, which you can able to calculate and initiate. So this is the course and its contents, and it is a 40 hours of course. So today's presentation, I'll be taking about the trend change date or the pressure date. Many names are there: pressure date, trend change date, and trend halt date. So anything you want to name, you can name. So how the trend change date is being calculated, and how trend change date work, and how we should work on the trend change date, and what happened in the trend change dates. So all these things we'll be discussing. So this is in Gann's method only you will find out these calculations of trend change date. So in the detailed course, if you go to the module 2, I have given here 5 different methods of trend change date calculation. Though Gann's method has many other calculations, but whatever I understood based on that only 5 methods I have given in this course. So what happens here? There is a previous price action should be there. One previous month, one high will be there, low will be there. So many things would have happened in the last month. So all those data, we took it into the calculations. Like you can say previous month, what was the high, what was the low, which date high has found, which date low has found. Then there is a price range what it has made. Then everything converted to degrees. Then the lowest, highest degrees is filtered out. Using the degrees and the same trend line, it is calculated. Then addition happened from the low formation day and high formation day, and this trend change date has come. So if you can say that that is only for 1 month, next month new data, new trend change. So if you go to our website, if you just access our software, Gann software, we have programmed all these methods. We have given a summary when the trend change is happening. So this is a trend change is going to happen on 14th. Price range method is telling 14th there is a trend change date. So 14th of June it is for Nifty. Then again price time method says that 14th is the trend change date. Hexagon method says 13th and 15th, 13th falling tomorrow. Because today on 12th June I am recording these things. Then your high-low method is already given 6, 10, 24. Some data is already, so these are the minor trend change dates. So as per Gann angle, high-low methods also telling such specific things. So these two methods and hexagon, these are more accurate as compared to other methods. So hexagon and high angle and low angle method are more popular and more accurate. So suppose one trend change date calculation happens and it has happened and it is falling on the Saturdays or Sundays. Then what happens? The previous day, previous working day. So 14th or on 17th, the trend change will be affected because 15th, if it is falling on 15th and 16th, which is weekend, there is no market on that day. So we can just have a look on how this trend change date has performed in these things. I'm going for the Nifty historic data. So here what happens when I say about the trend change date. So what is the meaning of that? So whatever the price action will be on 10th of 10th of June, opposite should happen on the 11th. So 10th of June, if there is a good positive closing, so negative opening or negative closing you can expect. If it is a negative closing, then negative positive opening and positive closing you can expect. So opposite of the price trend action will happen on the trend change date. So on trend change date, we will experience a opposite price action. So opposite type of price actions will happen. Opposite type. Whatever the price action, if you observe one day before the trend change date, so the opposite is going to happen. So this is what the trend change date says. So here we had a trend change date on. So as per the software, it is low angle saying 11th. 11th was yesterday. So 11th was yesterday. You can say that the 10th was a positive day. 10th you can see 11. So it was 11th was a trend change date. So 11th was a trend change date. So you have a negative closing here. 7th and 10th, if you compare, it's a negative closing. So we should expect a positive opening or positive closing. So though it is a range bound closing, hardly some 2-3 points happen, but positive closing happened. So this is on 11th, it has worked perfectly. So we have expected positive opening or positive closing, it has happened. So if I go to the back any other day, first of June was the trend change date. So you can say it is a Saturday, again Sunday, third was Monday. So 3rd of June was Monday. So 3rd of June was Monday. So that was also a great of move. You have seen that pre-exit pool move you have seen there. So 3rd also we have experienced a good move. So 3rd was a trend change date. So trend change date means the day we should experience opposite type of trend, because first was in Saturday, so 3rd we will be seeing. So same way the static angle, 4th is a trend change date. So 3rd was a great positive, 4th we have experienced a huge move. Then we have 7th on Gann angle, because these are the small corrections of consolidation days. So then 6th also we had. So 6th also we had a trend change date. You can say 6th it did not work out because 5th was a positive closing. We expected negative, but it has closed positive. So by this process, if you can go on seeing different methods, you will see that the Gann's trend change date, approximately 65% of cases, the market respect this trend change date. So we had a domestic election and other things. Those issues are very, you can say, news based or some event based things. When there is a quiet market, it respects that. So what you need to do in these dates? So first you understood what is trend change date, how to work on trend change date. So opposite price action will happen. So on the trend change date, suppose we are saying there is a trend change date is happening on low angle, high angle, as well as hexagon principle. There is a 13th is the trend change date. 13th of June, there is a trend change date which is falling tomorrow. So today it is positive. So tomorrow we will be experiencing a negative opening or negative closing. Negative closing, anything can happen. So around 3 to 3:30, 3 to 3:30 time. So between this time, will know that where the market is closing. So today there is very big uptake, then there is consolidation, positive closing happened. So 12th of June, positive closing happened. So towards the last hour, we will be selling the Nifty along with one call option hedge, call option buy, because blind sell I do not recommend. Sell the Nifty, buy a call option along with that, hedge this, and tomorrow if there is a negative opening or negative closing, close the trade, book the profit, come out. So this is how we have to work on trend change date. But once the trend change happens, we have nothing to do. Suppose 13th it is a positive trend change date, it has not respected. it has also opened positive, then we have sufficient time to enter the trade because 12th was positive, 13th we are expecting negative closing. So we can sell Nifty along with a call option purchase to take the benefit of trend change day. So this is a trade related things, or you can take the trading benefit on that. If you have any positions, you can hedge the position some before that. If you have any thing which you have, you can say some positions are in profit, you can book the profit before the trend change date. So this is how you should utilize the trend change date, and these are the methods programmed in the software, and these methods you yourself can able to learn from the Gann course. So nothing is hidden. We have given Excel sheet, we have given video presentations, you can easily learn and master these things. And this particular software also, you can say you can get this particular software from us. So this particular software, Gann price time analysis software, it cost you 2,999. So you can procure that software which will do the similar analysis along with the other Gann studies. So keep watching this video. If you like, you share it with your friends. This is what the trend change date is. This is how the trend change date is calculated, and this is how the trend change date is calculated, and I have told you how to use this trend change date for your trade benefit. Thank you very much. Thank you for your